Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I hope everybody is doing well and you're enjoying all the things that your teachers have been putting on our YouTube channel. So today, instead of reading a book, I thought it would be fun to do a little science experiment with maybe some of the things that you might find in your own kitchen. So you have to have your grown-ups help find you these things, okay? So what you need for this, we're going to make a volcano, and we need to have vinegar, white vinegar. You need to have baking soda, 1 or 2 empty water bottles, another small container that you can pour a liquid into the bottle, a measuring cup, a spoon, and if you have food coloring, that would be great because then you can tint your vinegar. So in order to do this, what we have to do first is to take our empty bottle and we need to scoop some baking soda into the bottle. Now, if you notice, my bottle has a very small opening, so I need to make a funnel. Now, if you have a funnel at home, you can use that, or if you have a piece of paper, you can fold it and make it into a cone shape like me, and you stick that in the hole. Have your grown-up hold that for you, and then using your spoon, you are going to scoop 4 scoops of baking soda into the funnel. And it's going to go right down into the bottle. So that's 1, 2, 3. And how many more do I need if I want 4? I already have 3. That's right. 1 more will make 4. You guys are so smart. And 4. Okay, so I'm going to put my funnel down. And you may want to do a couple of bottles. I already did one earlier just to test it out, and it was really fun. So I filled up another empty water bottle for later because I know you'll probably want to do more than one. It's a lot of fun. And you also need like a little, a clear pan that you can put your bottle in to catch all the liquid that's going to come out of it. So let me move this off out of the way. And now what we need to do is with our vinegar, now this is, we're going to make a chemical reaction. And a chemical reaction is when you have 2 items, 2 substances, and you put them together and something cool happens. So something is going to happen when we add our vinegar to our baking soda. I wonder, what do you think could happen? Why don't you make a prediction? Remember, when we predict, we guess. What do you think could happen when we add our vinegar into our bottle? Do you think it's just going to fill up the bottle? Is it going to get to be a solid? I don't know. We'll have to find out. So, I like how you're guessing. Some of you may have already done this in the past. I know, Vinny, I think we did this last year when we were learning about dinosaurs. And I was hoping to do this with you in school, but we're not at school, so this is the next best thing. I still get to do it with you. So, ooh, that's a pretty color. I made like a red, because when we do a volcano's the lava that comes out. Ooh, I'm giving it away. Anyway, the lava is red, so I figured, we'll use red. All right, so I'm now going to take some of our vinegar solution and pour it into my cup. Move that off to the side so you can see. And now I'm going to very carefully make sure your bottle is in your container. And let's see what happens. I'm going to pour it in really fast and let's see what happens. Ooh, there it goes. Ooh, that was fun. Let's do it again. That was fun. It just erupted. So the vinegar reacted to the baking soda and made it fizz up. So I'm going to go really fast. Let's see if we can get more reaction. Whoa, that is fun. That's really fizzy that time. So the faster you pour it, the fizzier it gets. That's a lot of fun. Let me see. Do it again. See how many I can get. So that was 2 times. Let me see. Oop, there's still more white baking soda down there. Let's wait for it to fizzle down a little bit. This is a lot of fun. It smells vinegary too. Now this is something you don't want to put in your mouth. Okay, keep your hands away from your mouth, like we've been all practicing. No, I only got 2 good fizzes on that one. So I have my other bottle. Let me try this one. I'm just going to use my measuring cup. Let me add a little bit more vinegar. I'm going to use up all my vinegar today. This is a lot of fun. So much for my Easter eggs. Ready? Let's see. Whoa, that was fast. So you can have fun making volcanoes at home. Now, parents, there's another idea that I want to show you. My freezer. It's ready. In my freezer, I made called Fizzy balls. And what I did is I took the baking soda and I made it into a paste by adding a little bit of water. And you want to make it so it's like holds together so it's not really liquidy. And then what I did is I took a special something and I put it inside the ball and I froze it. So now what you can do is you can use a syringe or even just use a spoon for that matter and to drop the liquid onto, ooh, you can really hear it fizzle. And all you do is you keep pouring it on. Now, obviously you want to have this over a plate to catch all your drippings. Do you hear that? Let me get a plate. Here, this will work. This is cool. What you do is you keep pouring this on. Oh, you can't see it. You keep pouring this on. And it makes a cool sound. And the more you pour, it's going to fizzle. And then eventually, the object that I hid inside is going to appear. Ooh, I can see it. It's coming. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, there it is. There it is. Look what I have. I hid in my fizzy ball. What does that look like? Can you see it? It's dripping. You see the little flower? Oh, I'm making a mess on my counter. It's okay. I hid a little flower button inside. So you can do that too. It's a lot of fun. If you have like an eyedropper at home you can use and just squirt the liquid on it, and that'll be really fun. It's good for fine motor too. So boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this. It was a lot of fun to make volcanoes with you. I'll see you soon. Have a good day, guys.